What is going on, you guys? Sonic the Hedgehog 3 second anniversary here. Today we're going to be playing Toca Jr. Yeah, you see, it just came out for a few days and I'm ready to play it. Let's do it. Alright. We're going to be playing Toca Kitchen. Alright. We got Toca Kitchen. Hey! Don't be burping! Yo, what's wrong with you? Okay, I'm gonna start feeding the lady. Yeah. Okay, so hohahooha. What do you want to eat?
No.
Oh, shut up! Shut up! Eat that! Shut the hell up! Shut up! I'm gonna get you. Shut up! I'm getting all the tentacles. All my tentacle army. Shut up! Before I have to feed you that raw. Okay, I need all my tentacles. Yeah, we still need to deep fry them. Put a little bit of hot sauce. But we're not done. We still need with the tentacles. We're gonna cook them, we're gonna deep fry them, and we're gonna bake them. I wasn't lying if I was going to bake them. Okay, wait for this second. Oh, I thought I was going to blow, but it wasn't. Alright, now time to top it off with hot sauce. You love it. Okay, I know you love it. Don't give me that face. This is going to be the best thing ever. Had. This is going to be the best thing. Shut up. Stop making that face. What the tickle diddle doodle happened to my tentacles? Shut up! It's not gonna be bad. Oh, you gotta try. Okay. I love this. Eat it. How does it taste? Everyone's waiting. Yeah, another. Shut up! Don't be yelling. You're a young girl. Okay. What? How did you love them? Shut up! Okay, here you go. Eat it. Wait, it changes color. It changes color. Wait, hold on. Shut up. Hey! Okay, I'm gonna cook you some dinner. I'm gonna grab you a potato, some meat, some chicken, and some fish. Well, you like that fish. That's going directly in your mouth when I cook it. Too bad. I'm gonna cook you the best dinner ever. I'm gonna cook you the best dinner ever made. So I need all the chicken, all the meat, the fish. Shut up! I know you like that fish. Otherwise, I'll make you eat the tentacle. Okay. Alright. Wait, I need to... Shut up! Okay, I need to cook the chicken. Okay, I need all the meat. Okay. But not the potato. Oh! She already started. Hey, don't be burping. Okay, now time for the cook. Alright. Oh! I thought I was going to explode or something. But it wasn't. Now eat it! Eat this. Make the biggest burp. Make the biggest burp. I want to hear you. I really want to hear you. I really want to hear you make the biggest burp, but not the raw food. I know you don't like it. That was terrible. You need to try again. You need to do a better burp. Oh my God! He made the biggest burp. Okay, try it again. Oh my God, that was so good. Can't believe you. Can't believe you did that. All right. Let's try OM. Let's try OM. Okay, so OM. Why don't you eat some food like the lady? Eat like the lady. OM, you got the biggest burp. But do you like strawberries? I know you like strawberries. Eat it. Eat it. How's it taste? Hey, don't be disrespecting to my food. Let's see how you can like the tomato. Let's see if you like the tomato. Wow, he likes it. You'll eat anything, but except for the strawberry. Hey, there's no way that you don't like it. Okay, let's see. Hey, since you don't. Oh, I'm never cooking you again. You just disrespect my food. Okay, rumba. Okay, rumba. I want you to see. Okay, so the Abomino Buttman. I want you to. Hey, what's up, Abomino Buttman? I want you to appreciate one of the foods I make you because OM does not even like my food. Maybe you will. Now let's start with the potato. Come on, you like the tomato. You like the potato. Okay. Now eat it. See how you feel. Hey, don't be doing that. Don't be doing that. How about a carrot? Shut up. Eat it. Hey! Well, I'm never cooking you food again. You don't appreciate what I cook you. I can't believe you don't like one of my food. Hey, shut up. Hey, quiet, you. Builders. Definitely not doing that. Oh, shut up. There's a lot of kids' games. Okay. Shut up! You're annoying, stupid. Okay, I'm gonna play Builders. Let's try Builders. Oh, what the heck is going on? Let me try new game. Oh, hey, my man. Hey, what's up, my bud? He's building for me. Oh, he's building for me. Oh, we can. Okay, I can press buttons. I can press the buttons. Okay, well, let's see what happens if I go to the river. Wait, it doesn't take me to the river. Well, hey, what's your butt doing? What's your butt doing? Okay, I think we're done. I think we're done playing Toca Kitchen and Builders in Toca Jr. But maybe the games that we did not even play, we need to download. Because from Toca Kitchen, we already met Rumba, aka the Abominable Buttman. We already met hohahooha, and we already met Orem. Orem doesn't like my potato, carrots, and wait, I think he liked my carrots, doesn't he? Wait, I don't know. But I don't know. We'll find out and we'll play some more tomorrow, I think. Because I'm kind of busy tomorrow. Okay, I'll see you later. Later, hot potatoes.